Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can fix this SIM not found problem in your Poco smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. When you just purchase Poco smartphone and here it is written Airtel exclusive, if this problem is again, and when you just press back this Airtel app, not just you can't back it. You can see how you can fix. First you have to insert a SIM that have uh, proper internet connection. Let's see. First you have to take SIM ejector tool, then pull out the tray like this, and friends, here it is the tray. Then you have to simply insert your SIM card in it like this, and you have to just simply put it insert into your phone. And friends, you can see your problem has been fixed. When you just press back, you can see we are setting things for you. And when you just press back, it is easily backed it up. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.